We'll guide you through how to send Google Sheet to WhatsApp. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. After the page loads, locate the spreadsheet that you want to share. Click the spreadsheet file to open it, and wait until the spreadsheet loads completely so that all data becomes visible. Carefully check the information to make sure everything is correct before sharing it with someone else. You can also improve the appearance of the spreadsheet before sending it. For example, format the title or header if necessary so that it stands out clearly. You may also adjust the column width to improve readability and make sure the content fits properly in each column. After confirming that the spreadsheet is ready, move your cursor to the top menu bar of Google Sheets. Locate the File option at the top left corner of the screen. Click the File menu to open the drop-down list that contains several options. From this list, look for the Download option. Once you find it, hover your cursor over the Download option. Observe the available formats listed in the menu, such as PDF and Excel. To make the file easier to send through WhatsApp, choose the PDF format. Click the PDF option to begin downloading the file to your computer. After clicking the option, wait until the download process is complete and the file is saved on your device. Once the file has been downloaded, open WhatsApp Web in your web browser. After the page loads, open the chat of the person you want to send the file to. Inside the chat window, move your cursor to the attachment icon, which usually appears as a paperclip symbol. Click the attachment or paperclip icon to open the file sharing options. From the menu that appears, select the document option. Next, navigate to the Downloads folder on your computer where the PDF file was saved. Locate the Google Sheets PDF file and select it. If necessary, you can add a short message or caption to explain the file you are sending. Finally, click the Send button to deliver the file through WhatsApp. After sending it, confirm that the Google Sheets file has been sent successfully in the chat.